Alright, so Rookie Repairs back at again. Today we have a 2007 Ford Expedition. It will be the same for 2007 all the way to 2010. This is a 4x4, but the process will be similar to the 4x2, the regular. Alright, as you can see, it is dirty. So what we're going to do is just drain and refill and replace the filter. See all that. It's normal wear, not too bad. Alright, just going to replace the filter. The gasket right here came off, so we have to go remove it from the old one. It's still stuck in there. See? So what I like to do for you guys is measure the fluid amount that we drain. So I'm gonna measure it in order to help you guys.